Okay, the first step in downloading Stop Motion Studio, what you're looking for, this icon right here. I've already done it, but if you haven't done it, this is how you're going to take care of that. Click on Self-Serve, which is right here. And when you do that, you can go in the lower right-hand corner and see the search, and you can type in Stop Motion. And generally, it's going to find it by then, but you could type in Studio. And in my case, it says reinstall, but I've already installed it. So yours is going to say install. So you just click on that and it will install it for you. And I'm going to cancel mine because I've already installed it. And I'm going to go back to my screen here and I'm going to rotate it over and you can see that I have it installed right here. And it's as simple as clicking on it and opening it up.